A one, a two, a one, two, three, four. Well, it might have started up in Turkey with a Bob Wills fiddle tune, or maybe it was down in Deep Ellum when Blind Lemon sang the blues. Scott Joplin's ragtime piano gave rise to jazz and R&B. Though it's kind of hard to say where it started, it sounds like Texas to me. Sounds like Texas to me. Rock and roll, country, R&B, bluegrass, Tejana, roots Americana, and good old western swing. Well, I've been all around this wide, wide world, from sea to shining sea. Whenever I hear good music, it sounds like Texas to me. Stevie Ray brought the blues from Austin. Houston gave us ZZ Top. Sir Doug started something down in San Antonio. It ain't never gonna stop. The West Texas wind brought Buddy Holly in, like Roy Orbison, Mac Davis, Joe Ely. Though it's always great here in the Lone Star State, it sounds like Texas to me. Sounds like Texas to me. Rock and roll, country, R&B, bluegrass, Tejana, roots Americana, and good old western swing. Well, I've been all around this wide, wide world, from sea to shining sea. Whenever I hear good music, it sounds like Texas to me. Jerry, Jeff, Robert Earl, asleep at the wheel, and George Strait, Towns Van Zandt, Ray Wiley, Gary P., Larry Gatlin, Janis Joplin, Steve Miller, Lyle Lovett, Nora Jones, Guy and Susan, Waylon and Willie, Flacco, Freddie, Charlie Pride and Leanne Rhymes, Tanya Tucker, Leanne Womack, Don Henley, Christofferson, Newberry, Jody Nix, Rodney Crowell, Emily, Marty, and Natalie. Sounds like Texas to me. Rock and roll, country, R&B, bluegrass, Tejana, roots Americana, and good old western swing. Well, I've been all around this wide, wide world, from sea to shining sea. Whenever I hear good music, it sounds like Texas to me. We got a new generation coming along. Wade, Pat, Roger, Corey, and Randy, Charlotte Corn, Terry Hendricks, Amanda Shires, Casey Musgraves, Bonnie Bishop, Tori V. We got our Creole cousins down in New Orleans, Red Dirt Brothers up in OKC. Well, it really don't matter where you play it, it sounds like Texas to me. Anytime I hear good music like that, well, it sounds like Texas to me.